Hey everybody, it's fitness contributor Emily Nelson, and today I'm here to go a little big sister on you and talk about a tip that I have for staying comfortable but looking put together. So here's some of my go-to outfits that will help you get through this awkward, cold, comfy season. So my first tip is sweater sets. So right now I'm wearing one too with matching sweater pants, but this is another one. They're all over Amazon and boutiques where I have a cute pair of sweater pants. It's got the little slit at the bottom. So comfy, so cute. Next up, I know you're gonna think, Emily, I'm gonna look schlumpy. I'm not. Sweatpants. Cargo pants are all the rage. They have all different types. There's silk ones, anything with a stretchy waistband that's gonna be comfortable. You pair them with a cute turtleneck, a sweater, something that looks a little fancier on top, and you will look ready to rock. Next up is there's so many cute pants right now in different prints, like I talked about silk. These are velvet. Now these have cute pockets, a nice tailored front, but on the back, they're stretchy. These honestly feel like pajamas. Last time I was on the show, I wore these with a cute pink sweater. I wore it all day to all the things, running the kids around, cleaning. I would look put together and I was so comfortable.